Have you ever noticed subtle changes in someone's behavior when they sense they're no longer your priority? Feeling replaced triggers a deep, often unconscious response in human psychology. People don't always voice their feelings directly, but their actions reveal more than words ever could. When someone feels replaced, it touches their sense of security, ego, and value in your life, and their behavior often shifts in ways you can observe if you know what to look for. Some become distant or cold, withdrawing emotionally to protect themselves from further hurt. Others may act clingy, seeking reassurance or overcompensating to regain attention and importance. You might notice jealousy in subtle forms, comments, comparisons, or attempts to regain influence. In some cases, people may even sabotage new connections or push boundaries to remind you of their presence, revealing how threatened they feel. Patterns matter more than isolated actions. Are they suddenly less available, more reactive, or emotionally volatile? Do they make passive comments about the new person or situations where they feel replaced? These small behaviors are clues to their inner struggle with identity and attachment, showing how much they relied on their role in your life for validation and self-worth. Understanding these reactions helps you respond wisely. Compassion and clear boundaries are key. Avoid overreacting or taking their behavior personally. It's a reflection of their feelings, not a judgment of your worth. At the same time, maintain your own standards for respect, attention, and emotional safety. Healthy relationships allow space for change without letting insecurity dictate actions. Recognizing these signs also helps you differentiate between temporary discomfort and long-term patterns. Someone who adjusts respectfully after initial feelings of being replaced demonstrates maturity, while repeated jealousy, withdrawal, or manipulation signals emotional immaturity or insecurity. Awareness prevents unnecessary conflict and protects your energy while guiding you towards balanced, mutual connections. By observing behavior carefully, you can navigate shifts in relationships with clarity, compassion, and confidence. People who feel replaced will reveal themselves gradually, but your response defines whether the connection evolves healthily or dissolves under unspoken tension.
As you reflect on the behaviors, patterns, and interactions we've explored, remember this. People reveal themselves not only in what they say, but in what they do, the small gestures they repeat, and how they treat you when no one is watching. Life is filled with lessons hidden in these subtle moments, in who respects your boundaries, who honors your time and presence, who communicates with honesty, and who reacts under stress or discomfort. Observing these actions with clarity allows you to protect your energy, understand intentions, and make decisions that align with your values and self-respect. Not everyone is meant to stay, and not every behavior is about you. Often, the way someone acts reflects their own fears, insecurities, priorities, or unresolved struggles. Some will show care only when convenient, some will test limits without realizing it, and others will reveal their true intentions over time. Awareness helps you distinguish between patterns that uplift and those that drain, between relationships that are genuine and those that are conditional. Every interaction is a mirror, a chance to see not just others, but also yourself, your patience, your boundaries, your clarity, and your ability to recognize authenticity. Pay attention to consistency over intensity, effort over words, and reactions over explanations. Notice who shows respect without being asked, who communicates even when it's difficult, and who chooses presence over convenience. These are the signs that matter, the truths that reveal character and priorities.